everyone. Just a point of inquiry, Mr. Chair. I thought the contractor, the winning contractor is from Mindanao, not the IBC for the repair. I'm just curious because
According to Engineer Santos, this is now the second phase of the repair. I think during the first phase of the repair, there was another contractor. And for the second phase of the repair, it's the IBC.
IBC. Kaya sila nag-bid sa second. Why sila nag-infra sa first na repair? Sa taga Mindanao.
Thank you.
Mr. Chair,
Board Member Suliano.
to sum up siguro na lang, no, I think I just would like to request siguro sa kay Engineer Suson, kay Imo area dyan, engineer. So, pwede mo daan upon your inspection, or observation report sa projects nga ginakandak talan, no? At least within your area, pwede mo dyan area, nga maka-request ikaw, no, sa DPWH o kung sa contractor na kung ano ang nakita mo nga observation nga why nandagin ginsunod, no, nga mga safety mission na supposedly i-apply in that project para at least nga may transparent nga dyan may request ikaw. Kasi kung magkabala na ilang takadya ka na magtunduan na kung ano tiginambala ng mga dyan sa da. Pero kung ay dan sa imo observation nga gina-implement nanda, so it's no use, no? Why kita sing why kita prueba. Pero kung may observation report ka nga na-notice mo kung ano ang kakulangan kang mga safety mission na supposedly na i-implement nanda in that project, at least may barasihan kita. Kag may report kita na properly, kag ma-address natin ang problema, kag mapatong natin kung sino ang may liability. Parehas ka dyan natabo kay kay Sergeant Sanchez kag sa iba katungan aksidente.
Yes,
I think it's covered by the torts, no? Kasi may liability kita. So I think para at least maklarado lang ito.
Well taken.
Kaya hindi kita magpundoan ay karon.
Yes, sir.
Well taken, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Engineer Santos, sa kontrata, sila may ara item diyan, nila? Occupational safety, may ara item. May I know what is the amount?
Hindi ko
The amount.
Hindi ko para sa ulo.
One of the scope of works is occupational safety and health program. No, it has a certain budget. No, it has a certain budget. That's why it wonders me na hindi effective in safety measures nila again apply. It has a certain amount. Probably we do not know because we do not have the document.
Pero gamay mo lang, sir. Hindi. Gamay.
Ang ginahambal ni Board Member Soliano na i-check man sa Municipal Engineer's Office ang mga safety measures nila kung ano mga kakulangan nila. But supposed to be, it should be the responsibility of the contractor. Kaya that is part of the contract. Responsibility that primarily is ang contractor, and it should be under the supervision and monitoring of the DPWH, the procuring entity. Amo na lang, nangabay na lang siya, no? Kung daw ineffective sila, safety contractor kag DPWH, nangabay si Board Member Suliano, ang monitoron mo engineer Suson, ang municipal engineer sa office ng Kabia, agad mangin effective na git ang safety measures nila, no? Amo na siguro isa ka strategy mo unta so that we would be able to avoid the incident happen again. Board Member Ventura.
Daw naghihinay. Anyway, since may mga observation si Honorable Roy, like for example, nagkalutak dito Max, no? Kulang sila can you institute and put some more personnel? And let us not be reactive. Kung pwede proactive kita in advance, then make sure that your safety officers are there at any given time. Kung may mga concern, In fact, we must view this positively because we are thankful to have a public official like Honorable Goroseta who is there, no? Risking his time and efforts para dira nga tinaw nagudugan na gani na bullying sa inyo. So kung kulang personnel, dugangin ninyo. Kung kulang kanal, dugangan ninyo. And then consider these things as a positive suggestion sa inyo because all we want nga eventually everybody would be thankful nga eventually matapos na gid man ining aton nga project. So Engineer Santos do not view this as a this as valuable remark
Yes, sir.
no for your office to improve further and rectify your kung anong kakulangan ninyo.
Kala ko no, bala mo, later lang siguro ang natabo na blang na daw damo tubig. Kaya nang burst ang MIWD na pipe sa lalo. So daw, pila ka location? Duha. So pag sigawa kasi na, hindi na ako na mapungga ng tubig. Hindi kayo nagalin sa ayawan ng taga MIWD. Kaya iti, pag puswa kasi na, sinimana nila makayo. So it is not totally ma-attribute to sa amon. Nagbulig na kami man, sa IBC, nagbulig man sa MIWD para mag-excavate. Kaya i-deep excavate nila po sa 2 meters below the ground para makutkuton na RC pipes. Kaya this, amal ko na isa kay Sir Gilligan, if simple force majeure ni kay those pipes were constructed 1920s back. So tigulang lagi, so katuktuko na, so naglulupok to sa dalong. So amo to condemn na nila tong tubig nga medyo short is bilo de kay gikutkot ito, kagin liwat nila dito sa dalong. So during the time ko naman daw damo ng tubig, amo to ang cost. Pero actually, kung sa spoils nga makuha during jet grouting, control to ya. Hindi, ito ito nagagawa. Luwas na kung magulan ha. Nga mahulog tubig sa baba pero hulog na lang, malaptagin na siya. Pero most no, not perfect. Hindi na control na mo na ang spoils.
By the way, let me cut you, Engineer Santos. Is it that, are we now referring to the slippery that was mentioned by HB member Goroseta?
Okay, bala mo, pila ka weeks na naglao sa mo kiti. Cool. Oh.
Okay, HB member Goroseta.
Sorry, Honorable Distura, to disrupt your questions, no? Engineer, ang ginambal niyo orang na tubig kay MIWD, tama rin na nakabuhay. Why na to sa area ka ginadjet grouting yung ginatawag nyo ng gaturo nga tubig ka? Gagawa. Let us be realistic. What is the problem? Is the problem. I am there every day. I'm there morning, afternoon, and evening. Observing what you are doing there. Ang tubig na nga nagagawa ka na, gatos karsada, nagaling kita na sa jet grouting. Why tinagasunod to? Why ka mo titig drama, abi? May mga drum ka mo dato, nga samtang nga gagawa ang tubig, ano ka gibutan sa drum? Tiwai gagawa gala-galao. Gusto mo pakita ko ninyo tangan na pictures? Wait, please. Because my point is, we don't have to point fingers and blame each other here. We need solutions. So that's what I'm asking. What is your solution? Together with the Honorable Distura, he asked you already, what is your solutions with that problem? Pero if we are going to blame, napasulot ato ang MIWD nga wayan sa Dakamaan, they don't know that. Nakot-kot ka mo to kanal, that was already last year. Nag-jet grout ka mo, that is lately of this year. So kung lang taon yung pictures dyan, gabaha, halin tana sa silid sa ginadjet grouting nyo. That is the reason why I ask your engineer, ano balain sa kaway ka mo ti balde or drum nga ginasiglan ka tubig, kagiula nyo to sa raya. Ay may lutak nga ni.
pwede ko kasamat.
For a while, para a while.
Dali. You want me to show the pictures and videos of what happened? Kag kamo nga mga engineers man sa site, hindi kamo please don't give wrong information to your boss. Ay, ito kinapatalaan ka lang, sorry lang. Ang akin lang ginayo. Kaya ti, nangayo organic ko ka data, ito ko pera kabilog ng paraliskat ng motor dyan sa project nyo. But ginaksyonan. Kamu pala dapat sakto lang kung ano lang ang solusyon ang bago ni Honorable Distora kung madugang ka mo tao, dugang ka mo tao. Ubrahan yung tidasig. Pero we don't have to blame other agencies for that problem. We have to make solutions. Sorry, Engineer Santos. Kaninyo man, Mr. Chairman, because we are already tired. Kapuyer kami sa pabiyang. Nag-accumulate ang problema dyan ng kanaman. Nagadugang. We solve one, it appears one. Amura bla? So, for now, we are preparing ourselves for the Aganan project as well. So, kapay pa nga matapos na rin dyan, amo lang ang akin, I'm sorry to correct you, I'm sorry to react with this. Kaya dito hindi man bala mayan nga nagapanudlo pa ta kaiban nga tao sa problema ta. I-actionan tala na. Thank you.